Today, we will be going over how to sign up for City of Morgantown notifications through the City of Morgantown website. The first step to signing up for city notifications is to go to the City of Morgantown's website at www.morgantownwv.gov. Once you're at the city's website, you will bring your mouse to hover over the How Do I tab listed to the right of the navigation bar. Then, select Notifications under the Sign Up For option. The next page will be the Notify Me page. Here, you will be able to enter your email address and phone number and sign up for the many different notification options. You can choose to enter in your phone number, email address, or both, as well as choose what notifications you receive to which source. Enter in the email address you would like to receive alerts to. Once you have entered in your email address, you can enter in your phone number as well for alerts. This is optional, not necessary. Enter in the phone number you would like to receive notifications to. Click Save once you've finished. You can see that there are many different categories to receive notifications for, including emergency alerts, city job listings, and news releases from different city departments. You can select what alerts you would like to receive by selecting the text message or email icons. Thanks for watching!